3 must-know tips for investing in UK property. Tip number 1, okay? Diverse your selection of property investment strategies. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Make sure that you invest in every strategy possible, whether that's buy-to-let, flipping, commercial, and so on and so on, because that will minimize the risk if any one or the other goes wrong and maximize your potential or your return on your investment. Number 2 is location, location, location. Make sure that you invest in the right location. There's no point in opening a restaurant in the middle of a desert island, is there, when you've got no customers? Same with property. Location is paramount. The other thing, tip number 3, is stay informed, okay? The property market is ever changing and you have to keep up to date with the trends and the changes and the regulations and the policies. Otherwise you get left behind and you won't succeed. Anyway, if you're looking to invest in property, by all means follow this channel, give us a like, subscribe, because we've got lots of tips and tricks to share with you so that you can do so properly and profitably. Till next time, ciao for now.